So here is the tutorial on that simple editing about that my flying plane. I've listed the things that you will be needing. First of all, you need to download a picture of a plane. So when you download the picture of a plane, you video the ground. You video from the ground to the sky. You video as much as you can, okay? Then you go and record yourself sitting sideways back, okay? That's all you need. So once you've done that, I'm going to show you how you can edit it using CapCut. So first of all, you import the video of the ground that you recorded. You import the video and cut out the parts that you don't need. You can see me cutting out the parts that I don't need. All right, so I'll look for duplicate and duplicate the video. This is the first one and the other one is the second one. Okay, then on that second one, I'll look for reverse and click on reverse so that they will reverse the second one. Then I'll click speed. I'll increase the speed of the first one and also the second one. All right, don't mind me, I just speed up the video to save time so that it will not be too long. So I'm increasing the speed of the second one. Then I'll go and import the picture of a plane, then resize the picture so that it will be the same size with the video. We are going to import two pictures of a plane, the one facing left and the one facing right. Okay, so this one is facing left. I'm taking it to the one that I added reverse to. Okay, then I will go back to my photos and edit this one, the second picture of a plane that I want to import. I will edit it so that it will face right. Okay, you can also use your CapCut to do it. So here is the picture. Now it's facing right. Then I will still go and import it and resize it so that it will be the same size with the first video. Then I'll look for remove BJ. I will highlight that picture, the first picture of a plane, and remove the background. This one I use auto remover, although auto remover is on pro, okay, but I still use it. I will still do the same thing on the second picture. All right, so you can see both of them. The background has been removed. So I will now highlight that picture of a plane and place it in a way that it will look like it's going up. Okay, you can see that it's the same height as that flyover, so I need to carry it up small so that it will be like it's going up. I'll just resize it to my choice. You also go to the second picture of a plane and do the same thing there. Okay, just resize it to your choice and lift it up small, lift it up a bit so that it will look like it's going up. Can you see it? Then I'll go and import my picture. Okay, I mean my video, the video that I recorded sitting sideways. I'll go and import it. I will remove the part that I don't need. All right, here I'm removing the part that I don't need. Then I'll click on it. I'll highlight that picture, go to remove BJ. Then this time around I use custom remover because I use auto remover and the thing did not come out well. And again, auto remover is on pro, so this time around I use the custom remover. I removed the background. I'll then carry myself and put on the plane. Can you see it? I also go to the second video and do the same thing using auto remover. When you click on, using a custom remover. When you click on custom remover, you click on brush. You choose the size of your brush, then remove yourself from the background and then place yourself on the plane. Okay, can you see it? So then this one is optional. If you want to add sounds like that sound that you were hearing in the original video, it is a plane taking off. I went to audio, sound effects, then select the sound that I want. All right, and cut out the part that I don't need. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.